Are you tired of driving with a filthy windshield obstructing your view? Pesky handprints, dust, bird droppings, and even dead bugs can quickly accumulate and leave your car looking like a mess. But don't let a dirty windshield ruin your driving experience. Clear visibility is crucial when driving, especially at night, in rainy or foggy conditions, or on a bright and sunny day. There are many products are available to selected best windshield cleaner tool, each with different prices, characteristics, and benefits. To assist you in making a decision, I conducted a lot of research, read tons of reviews, and make a list of the best windshield cleaner tool from reliable brands. After huge research, I found these much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, you can check my description. So, without any further delay, let's watch these videos. Number 1. Xindell Windshield Cleaner. Are you tired of struggling with streaky, smudged windshields? Look no further than the Xindell Windshield Cleaner. This top pick is the ultimate solution for sparkling, crystal clear glass. Featuring a lint-free, replaceable pad, this cleaner effortlessly wipes away any contaminants without leaving behind any unsightly streaks. And with its extra long handle and 180-degree pivoting head, you can easily tackle hard-to-reach spots for a spotless finish. But that's not all. This versatile cleaner is designed to adjust to the shape of your windshield, ensuring every inch is thoroughly cleaned. Plus, it's perfect for cleaning windows both inside and out. Crafted from lightweight, rust-resistant aluminum alloy, the Xindell Windshield Cleaner is built to last. And with its cushioned, non-slip handle, you'll enjoy a comfortable, secure grip every time. Say goodbye to messy, frustrating windshield cleaning. The Xindell Cleaner is here to make your life easier. Good side of this product: ergonomic handle for effortless cleaning. Microfiber cloth doesn't scratch the surface, retractable, rotatable, and washable. Bad side of this product: a bit shorter for some. Number 2. AstroAI Windshield Cleaner. Looking for an easier way to clean your car's windshield? Look no further than the AstroAI Windshield Cleaner. This amazing tool comes equipped with a rotatable handle, making it a breeze to clean even those hard-to-reach areas. And with a detachable handle, you can use it as a buffer or household cleaner, then store it easily in a compact unit. But that's not all. When you purchase the AstroAI Windshield Cleaner, you'll also receive 4 washer towels and a 60 ml bottle, so you can start using it right away. The extended handle and pivoting head make cleaning your car a breeze, while the twist lock ensures the handle won't collapse while you're scrubbing away stubborn dust and grime. What sets the AstroAI Windshield Cleaner apart is its high-grade carbon steel safety hammer and washable microfiber pad, which offer unbeatable durability and value. So why struggle with a dirty windshield any longer? Get your hands on the AstroAI Windshield Cleaner today and make cleaning your car a breeze. Good side of this product: works as a safety hammer for emergencies, ergonomic, non-slip handle for better grip, highly absorbent microfiber pad. Bad side of this product: the cleaning pads are a bit smaller. Number 3. Invisible Glass 99031 Windshield Cleaner. Look no further than the Invisible Glass Windshield Cleaner Kit. This powerful kit is specifically designed to tackle even the toughest dirt and grime in every nook and cranny. Featuring a convenient reach and clean tool and a powerful cleaning spray, this high-quality windshield cleaner delivers a streak-free finish every time. The secret to its success: a lint-free microfiber towel attached to a durable wand that adjusts to the contours of your car's curved glass. With an 18-inch handle that's comfortable to hold and easy to maneuver, you'll be able to reach even the tightest spots without breaking a sweat. And when you're done, simply toss the reversible cleaning bonnets in the washing machine to make them good as new. So why settle for a subpar windshield cleaner when you can get the best? Try the Invisible Glass Windshield Cleaner Kit today and experience the difference for yourself. Good side of this product: reversible and reusable microfiber bonnets, padded, comfortable to hold handle, removable hook for easy storage. Bad side of this product: replacement microfiber clothes may not fit perfectly. Number 4. Randalfy Windshield Cleaner. When it comes to maintaining your car, having a reliable windshield cleaner is essential. If you're searching for a product that can clean various surfaces, look no further than Randalfy's Windshield Cleaner. This innovative cleaning brush measures 17.12 inches in length, making it easy to clean the entire windshield without having to switch sides of the car. One of the standout features of this windshield cleaner is its high-quality plastic handle. With this handle, you'll have a firm grip and be able to apply just the right amount of pressure needed to remove dirt and debris from your windshield. Additionally, the 180-degree pivoting head is designed for quick and thorough cleaning to enhance your visibility on the road. Winter weather can often lead to foggy and misty windshields, making it challenging to see while driving. Fortunately, This windshield cleaner has a fiber towel that can quickly clean away any moisture on the glass. This feature allows you to get back on the road faster without waiting for your car to heat up. Another impressive feature of this windshield cleaner is its extendable handle. With this feature, you can easily clean areas that are typically challenging to reach. This makes it a multifunctional cleaner that can be used for various cleaning tasks both inside and outside your car. Good side of this product: machine washable, reusable cleaning towel, highly water-absorbing cover cloth, recyclable, eco-friendly materials. Bad side of this product: handle might feel flimsy. Number 5. Gven Windshield Cleaner. Are you tired of spending too much time cleaning your car's windshield every morning? Say goodbye to your cleaning woes with Gven's Windshield Cleaner. This innovative product is designed to make your cleaning experience fast, efficient and hassle-free. Compared to its counterparts, Gven's Windshield Cleaner is 3 times thicker and highly absorbent, which means it cleans your vehicle 3 times faster than ordinary cleaning towels. This remarkable windshield cleaner is an excellent solution for drivers who want to spend less time cleaning their windshields and more time enjoying the ride. Gven's windshield cleaner is not only efficient but also durable. The extendable aluminum handle is sturdy and built to last, making it perfect for pressure cleaning. The non-slip sponge ensures a comfortable grip and prevents the cleaner from slipping out of your hand even when wet. Good side of this product: 3 towels of different thickness, durable aluminum handle lasts longer, flexible, rotating head for deeper cleaning. Bad side of this product: the handle can be of better quality. That is all from my end. I always try to make helpful videos daily, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you gather more information or get to know about product price, let's check out my video's description fast. For any problem, please comment below. Always keep updated with our great trading products as it will make your life simpler.